Have you ever wondered how to create stunning marble-like finish on walls that are durable, water-resistant, and completely unique? Today, I'll guide you through how to produce Marble Trowel Paint step by step from tinting to wall application. Stick around because this is going to transform your paint production game. Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. In today's tutorial, I will show you the full process of creating Marble Trowel Paint, a decorative coating that's meaning like marble texture. You will learn everything from the chemical needed to step-by-step application process, plus the extra tip for achieving a professional result. If you want to learn more in details, don't forget to check out our ebook and video courses, which provide a complete guide with step-by-step instruction, chemical measurement, and advanced technique. The link is in the description. It is a paid course, but worth every penny. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment Paint Production 31 winners to join our Vlogmas challenge. Let's get started. Now, what is Marble Trowel Paint? For those of us that do not have an idea what Marble Trowel Paint is all about. Marble Trowel Paint is a decorative coating designed to achieve walls a luxurious marble-like texture. It is achieved through laying and toweling technique and can be customized in different colors and patterns. This paint is durable, water-resistant, and perfect for creating high-end finish. So as you can see in the video, this is the application process on how to apply Marble Trowel Paint by using your trowel to apply it after the mixture. So now, let's look at the chemicals and tools needed for Marble Trowel Paint. 1. Marble dust sharp. 2. Colorant. 3. Ammonia. 4. Water. 5. Acrylic binder. 6. Titanium dioxide for a white base. 7. Nitrosol for your thickening. And 8. Your glitters, but it's optional. Then let's go over to the tools. 1. You need a nylon sheet for spreading and drying. Also, you need a mixing container and a turning stick or hand mixing machine, and of course a stainless steel trowel, just like what you're seeing in the video for the application process. So now let's look at the step to produce Marble Trowel Paint. First of all, you need to spread the marble dust on a nylon sheet. And of course, you have to mix your choosing base color using acrylic water and titanium for a white base if needed, just as you're seeing in the video where the marble dust is being sprayed on the nylon. Then you have to pour the tinted mixture on the marble dust and mix thoroughly, because in this process you have to make sure that everything blends into the dust. You understand? So you pour in your tinted mixture and you make sure that it is mixed very well. You have to repeat this process for any additional colors, but for now the base of what we want to achieve for the marble trowel is white. So just choosing a complementary colors to ensure a harmonious finish once it's applied. So that is why I said you have to mix properly to ensure that your mixing process, or rather your mixture, is well mixed, because we have different process. Like I said, we have step 1, we have the tinting process, and then we have the drying process, and then we have the application process. So after you've mixed all the mixture into your marble trowel, you make sure it's mixed properly, and of course, like I said, you spread it on the nylon. And then now let's look on the drying and the tinting process. First of all, like I said, spread the tinted marble dust on the nylon sheet Then regularly turn the dust while drying to prevent clumps. Once it is dry, you have to store it in a clean sealed container. But now we are still in the tinting process. We are tinting the this base because this is the base color, and of course we are going to mix two or three colors to achieve the total look outcome. And also for the application process, you have to get your acrylic, water, and nitrosol, and then you gradually mix it with the drying marble dust into the base to ensure it is well blended for a smooth application. The spreading process is very important. As you can see in the video, you have to make sure when you want to achieve a whitish base, that is where you have to pour in the mixture to enable you get the white base, and you have to keep mixing, and please, as you can see, it's advisable you mix under the sun to enable the marble dust dry faster. So you have to keep mixing to make sure it's blend very well. And for the process for the other tinted color, you don't need to be in a rush, because one thing about marble trail paint is that it has to be well dried. Yes, you don't need to rush over it, because when you want to achieve a base color, especially when it's white, that is when you have to tint the marble dust. You understand? And this is the process. The tinting is the first step, and it is this through this process that you're going to know if you're going to have a more durable marble trail paint. So you have to take your time, tint the colors very well, mix it. The mixture is more important than every other step. So you take your time to mix, although it might take a while, but you have to be patient. You have to take your time to mix this base color. For some other people, it might be purple, it might be green, it might be red. You understand? But always remember that it is advisable to go with two or three colors. Like I said, pick a color that blends very well with your base color. For this marble trail, our base color is white. So we're going to be mixing other colors, like for the black now. This is the mixture of the black. So we'll mix the black just the same way we mix the base color, which is the white color. So after mixing the base color, which is the white color, we've spread it for it to dry very well. So now we are mixing black. You understand? The black color is going to be mixed with the white. So it's going to be like an undertone coat. This is white we are mixing, like I said. So you don't just mix only the white. You have to get other colors. We are going to go with black and red, and of course glitters, to make the white color pop out very well. So you take your time. You make sure you mix the colors very well with your paste and you are cleric, you understand. Most people at time prefer to use satin paint to achieve this process, you understand. But it depends again, like I usually tell my students, the cost of your production matters a lot on how you are going to get profit from it, you understand. This is the basic process on how to achieve your durable color. When you want to tint, it is better that you mix from the foundation process than using a satin paint. If you want your black to be more blacker, you keep adding more colors to make it more dark. You understand? I prefer this process. Any other process too goes well. You can either use your car paint or your oil paint to mix your marble dust. You can also use your water-based paint, which is your satin paint. But I prefer, like I said, I prefer to mix the color from the basic to enable you achieve the proper total outcome. But you can as well go with any other paint of choice. You understand? The most important thing is the tinting process. You understand? Like I said, you have to tint your marble dust. Most people call it dyeing. You can use the word dyeing, or you can use it tinting. The most important thing, you have to color your marble dust because the marble dust come in a whitish look. So to achieve the color for the marble paint, you have to tint the marble dust to the specific color of choice that you want to achieve. So like I said, we're going to go with black and red. You understand? So that those colors are going to be the colors we're going to mix with the white marble dust. You understand? So always remember that we have three process. First of all, we have the tinting process, and then we have the drying process, and of course we have the application process. You understand? So you have to tint this color, take your time, tint it. After tinting it, you spread it under the sun for it to dry. And please take note, while you're spreading, always come back to spread this marble dust so it doesn't gum together, because if it gums together, it's going to give you an issue on applying it because it's going to be clumped together. So you have to keep spreading it under the sun. You keep coming from time to time to check it to make sure the drying process is okay. So for some pro tips, you understand? One, choose colors wisely. Use colors that complement each other for a striking look. Two, practice troweling. You have to test on a sample board to refine your technique before applying to walls. And the next is maintain consistencies, mixing thoroughly to ensure smooth application and avoid evenly texture. So dry properly. Regularly check and turn the marble dust while drying to prevent clumping. And of course, you have to use a sealer. So you have to apply a clear sealer or top coat for added durability. If you're serious about mastering Marble Trowel Paint, check out our ebook and video courses. You will get detailed instruction, exact chemical measurement, and advanced technique to create stunning finishing. Click the link in description to get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Paint Production 31 lucky winners to join our vlogmas challenge, and also share this video with anyone who wants to master decorative painting technique. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification so you never miss any update. Let's keep growing together this vlogmas. See you in the next video. Bye for now.